555 base 6 plus 321 base 6. 555 plus 321. So I'm writing it vertically, aligning place value. And now my bundles are 6. So I'm going to add from right to left by column. And anytime I get a bundle of 6, I'm going to carry that bundle of 6. I'm going to say that's one bundle of 6 and move it to the next place value. Okay, so 5 plus 1 is 6. That I can make a whole bundle. I can make one bundle of 6. So I'm going to put a 1 up here to represent that is one bundle of 6 with none left over. Then I'm going to add the next column, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that makes one bundle of 6 with 2 left over. One bundle of 6, 2 left over. And then I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's one bundle of 6 with 3 left over. 1, 3, 2, 0 is my sum. To check, I'm going to convert everything to base 10. So I'm going to look at 5, 5, 5 base 6, and I'm going to convert it to base 10. The place values for base 6 are going to be 1s, 6s, 36s, right? 1, 6 to the first, 6 squared. Okay, so this is going to be 5 times 36 plus 5 times 6 plus 5 times 1. So 5 times 36, that's 150 plus 30 is 180. Plus 30 is 210, plus 5 is 215. Okay, so now I'm going to convert 3 to 1, base 6 to base 10. So this is 3 times 36 plus 2 times 6 plus 1 times 1. 3 times 36 is going to be 90 plus 18, which is 108. Plus 12 is 120. Plus 1 is 121. So I'm going to add these together, and I get 336. Now, I know that when I add this number and this number in base 10, I get 336, which means that this number in base 6, if I convert it to base 10, should be 336. So we're going to go ahead and do that. 1, 3, 2, 0, base 6 converted to base 10. So my place values, again, are 1s, 6s, 36s. 1, 6 to the 0, 6 to the first, 6 squared, 6 cubed. So I need to know what 6 cubed is. It's 36 times 6, which is 108. So this is going to be 1 times 6 cubed plus 3 times 6 squared plus 2 times 6 to the first plus 0 times 6 to the 0, which is 1. Okay. So 6 cubed, that's 36 times 6. 36 times 6. So you can either figure it out in your head or write it off to the side, 36 times 6. So 6 times 30 plus 6 times 6. So 6 times 30 is 180 plus 6 times 6, 36. That's 216. You can write it out if you need to. 36 times 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 3 is 210. That is 21. So 216. Okay, plus 3 times 36 plus 2 times 6 plus 0 times 1. So 3 times 36, we know that's 108. So 216 plus 108 is 324 plus 12 plus 0. So that is 336. Check.